How I scraped fully verified 1,000 plus phone number leads using my free software and closed deals worth over $1,000 in just 10 minutes. And today, I'm giving you the exact method for free. Hey marketers, whether you're into local SEO, outreach, or lead gen, this is a game changer. I'll show you exactly how to use Google Maps, a Chrome extension, and my free Python script to get hundreds of verified leads in minutes. No coding required. Open your browser and head to Google Maps. Next, install the Chrome extension. Link is in the description. Type your niche, like doctor, plumber, or technician, and location. Open the extension. Click Try Another Table until the red bar is on the search results. Then click Start Crawling. Once it's done, hit Download CSV to get the raw file. Open the CSV and delete everything except the first row. Save it. Download the script from the description. Open it, click Upload File, and choose your CSV. Choose 5 to 10 threads. It'll be fast. Wait until it finishes scraping. Now open the scraped data.csv file. You've got company names, phone numbers, and websites, all verified. Hundreds of leads in just minutes. If this helped, hit subscribe for more no-fluff tools and tutorials. And if you want a custom version of this scraper, email me, details below.